Suppose if you want to type the similar to symbol in your computer after opening Microsoft Word, you must use this keyboard shortcut. You must type like this 007E. So in your computer keyboard you must type 007E. So after typing this 007, you must go to your keyboard. So you can try this in Microsoft Word. You must press this Alt key and S key. These two keys at the same time. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then this will be the result. So first type 007E, and after that you must press these two keys at the same time. And you can see similar to symbol we are created in MS Word. And suppose if you want to type approximately equal to symbol, then you must type 2248, and after that you must press this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that we have created this symbol. So for first you must type 2248. After that you press this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. For this serious information, subscribe. Thank you.